The Aoxun 6.2x4 storage shed is built with a strong frame and heavy galvanized steel, making it highly resistant to harsh weather conditions and ensuring a long-lasting lifespan. Featuring a sloped metal roof and reinforced wall panels, the shed provides excellent stability and can withstand wind speeds up to 30 miles per hour and snow loads of up to 6 inches. The design includes a sloped roof for efficient rainwater drainage and strategically placed vents to promote airflow, keeping the interior environment fresh and breathable. Lockable doors enhance security, allowing you to safely store your valuable items with peace of mind. With its spacious interior dimensions of 79 inches long, 50 inches wide, and 74 inches high, the shed offers ample room for a variety of items such as outdoor furniture, bicycles, and gardening tools. Assembly is straightforward with each component clearly labeled and a detailed manual provided, ensuring a smooth setup experience.